Hey guys, you may notice that the ground is wet, there's some puddles, and that's because we just had a light dusting of rain. And I wanted to talk about how rainwater is important for our plants. So I brought out our plants just to let it sit outside during the little rain. It didn't come down too hard or anything, just little drops of rain, little sprinkling, so that our plants can have some fresh rainwater. Now, I looked up to figure out if it actually makes a difference if they have rainwater or if they have just water from the tap. And it's not a huge difference, but there are benefits to the rainwater. For example, when the rainwater comes down, it's coming down very softly. So it's 100% soft water, where our tap water, sometimes you have to add like a softener in order to make it feel very soft. And so that was one thing that was a huge difference, was that when it's falling down really softly onto our plants. Kind of showing you guys how your plants are doing as I'm talking about the rainwater. Another thing is rainwater also has a lot of it's naturally acidic, which doesn't make sense to you guys yet, but it will. Ashlyn, your plant is just, I don't know. I'm a little concerned about it. We'll keep watering it though. But it has naturally acidic, which means later on in science you're going to learn about a pH scale, and that's years later. And it's made to be perfectly at that 7, which is exactly what you want when you're measuring out chemicals. Well, not when you're measuring out things so that you don't have chemicals. And that's another thing. Tap water, it is treated so we are able to drink it, and it does make a difference. So that's why we don't want to use, or why it's better for us to use rainwater, because it doesn't have those chemicals in it. Haley, you're just kind of struggling too. So it is kind of interesting how rainwater does make a difference. And it has a lot of nutrients in it. So rainwater has one of the 3 main macronutrients that plants need to survive, and they soak it up most of the time. They get these nutrients from the soil. And where does the soil get the nutrients from? It's from the water, from the rain. So it's very beneficial for them to be outside and getting that rainwater. So there's your update on how your plants are doing. No flowers yet, but we're getting there. And now you understand that rainwater is still better for your plants to grow than tap water. Not by a huge difference, but it does make it a little bit. All right, see you guys next time.